फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज़ निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साईं ज्ञान सागर में। तो आज हम कर रहे हैं मार्च के अनदर करंट अफेयर क्वेश्चन। तो देखते हैं, विच इंस्टीट्यूट इज़ टू प्रोवाइडेड USD 309 million लोन टू असम टू इन्हांस द इंटर स्टेट पावर ट्रांसमिशन प्रोजेक्ट AIB। कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट ने प्रोवाइड किया USD 304 मिलियन लोन असम को इन्हांस करने के लिए इंटर स्टेट पावर ट्रांसमिशन प्रोजेक्ट को? तो ये दिया है एशियन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक। नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है, इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट अंडर सी टनल इज़ बीइंग कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन विच सिटी? इंडिया का फर्स्ट अंडर सी टनल बीइंग कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन विच स्टेट? इंडिया में जो अंडर सी टनल स्टार्ट हो रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्ट होगा, कौन सी सिटी में होगा? पहला है तो ये होगा मुंबई में। इंडिया फर्स्ट अंडर सी टनल बीइंग कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन मुंबई एज ये पार्ट है कोस्टल रोड प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ द सिटी। इट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेड टू कंप्लीट बाय द ईयर ऑफ 2020 से 23 तक कंप्लीट होने का इसका एक्सपेक्टेड है। द ट्वाइन टनल हैव लेंथ इज, जिसकी लेंथ है वो 2.07 किलोमीटर, ऑफ विच अराउंड अ किलोमीटर बी अंडर द अरेबियन सी। The undersea tunnel will be 20 meter below the sea bed. India government signed a USD 68 million project with the World Bank to enhance the education system in which state? इंडिया गवर्नमेंट ने साइन किए हैं USD 68 मिलियन प्रोजेक्ट किसके साथ? वर्ल्ड बैंक के साथ इन्हांस करने के लिए एजुकेशन सिस्टम को। कौन से स्टेट के लिए? तो नागालैंड। The Indian government of Nagaland and the World Bank signed a USD 60 million project to enhance the governance of the school across the Nagaland. It also aimed to improve the teaching practice and the environmental in same selected school. The project title is Nagaland Enhancing Classroom Teaching and Resource Project. Also provide the technology support to hybrid the online classes. Which is the world first country to ban all the virtual toxic drugs know so far? कौन सी कंट्री ने, विच इज़ द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट कंट्री, कौन सी दुनिया की पहली कंट्री है जिसने वर्चुअल टैक्स ड्रग्स पे बैन लगा दिया? तो है बांग्लादेश। बांग्लादेश है रिसेंटली बैन द पेन किलर केटोप्रोफिन यूज टू वाइडली ट्रीट a cattle with it because of first country to ban of drug known as so far toxic virtual. Over 10 years ago, the country banned the ventrally drugs diclofenac. As per the ornithologist, this landmark step to save the small existing population of Asia globally threatened virtual. Next, which country was the top trade partner India in 2020? So according to the provision data from the Union Commercial Ministry of the India, the two-way trade stood at USD 77.7 billion last year. With this, China regained its position as India's top trade partner in 2020. With the higher reliance of India has on imported mechanism, the bilateral trade with the United States stood as USD 75.9 billion. The UNA remained the third trade partner, China. The Asian country has recently appointed a ministry for loan lines to Japan. The Asian country has appointed a minister for loan lines to Japan. The government of Japan head to Prime Minister Yoshihide has recently appointed a for loan. The decision made to tackle rise the suicide rate due to the COVID-19 crisis. Also, minister is responsible to managing the fall in birth rate in the country. What is the secret code written in the parachute of the NASA preservation rover? So dare mighty think. What is the secret code written in the parachute of the NASA preservation rover? So dare mighty things. As per the scientist at the NASA, the Perseverance rover deployed its parachute through the atmosphere of the Mars. During the process, the flashy a secret code of red and white strips across the sky, which was seen as a random pattern of concentric circle. It was decoded in some hour and found that is a message written in a binary computer code which split their mighty things. Which central sector scheme has complete 2 year on 24 फरवरी 2021? PM किसान सम्मान निधि. Which central sector scheme has complete 2 year on ऑन 24 फरवरी 2021। तो पीएम किसान सम्मान निधि, the Narendra Modi Stadium, which was seen in the news recently, is located which place? Ahmedabad. The Narendra Modi Stadium, which was seen in the news, is located in Ahmednagar. The world's largest cricket stadium, located in Montera in Ahmedabad, has been renamed as the Narendra Modi Stadium. It was inaugurated recently by the President of India, Ramnath Kovind recently. The stadium is built as a part of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Sport Enclave, which is spread in 220 acres in the bank of Sabarmati river के पास है. Hunter killer, which was making news recently, are the procured by which Indian Army Force? तो Indian Army Force. Sorry. Alpine plant species which are critically endangered have been discovered in which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Where is the headquarters of the International Commission on the Large Dam? Paris. Where is the headquarters of the International Commission on Large Dam? ICODL, Paris. What is the new name of Manotra Cricket Stadium after it renowned Narendra Modi Stadium? As per the Finance Minister, which type of bank are allowed to participate in the government related business? As per the Finance Minister, which type of bank are allowed to participate in the government related business? तो private sector bank. Which city is the venue of the Maritime Indian Summit 2020? तो virtual mode. News media and digital platform mandatory bargaining code, which was making news, is associated which country? Australia. TRIPS, which is sometimes seen in the news, associated which organization? तो TRIPS जो होता है Trade Related Accept of the Intellectual Property Right. The agreement of trade related accept of the intellectual property right is an international agreement between all the member countries of the World Trade Organization. India as well as South Africa has proposed the WTO consider TRIPS with COVID-19 vaccine. If the India succeed in getting to where it will be reduce the cost of vaccine significant. Which state has recently announced the universal health coverage during its budget with the outlet 35 crore? तो राजस्थान. Which state recently announced universal health coverage during its budget outlet 35 crore? Rajasthan. Which regulator in India has been formed a committee to re-look its formation and security guidelines? IRDI. Which organization published the State of School Feeding Worldwide Report? WFP. Which union minister has launched the City Innovation Exchange platform? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Ministry of Jal Shakti has selected how many states under Phase 4 Swachh Iconic Place Initiative? 12. India recently agreed to stop the cross-border flirting with which country? Pakistan. In the Saral Suraksha Bima policy proposed by the IRDI, what is the maximum sum assured? 1 crore. Which organization regulate a Nidhi company in its operational matter and developed a fund? Ministry of Corporate Affairs. India held bilateral consultation with which country on the issue of UN Security Council? Ireland. Which state play a host to Khelo India Winter Game and 2020? So the second edition of Khelo India Winter Game being held in Unit Territory Jammu and Kashmir. This is an annual event which is organized by JK Sport Council Association with JK Winter Games Association under the Union Ministry of Youth Affairs support. Which international organization has released the World Employment and Social Outlook 2021? The World Employment and Social Outlook 2021 is released by the International Labour Organization, This report is one of ILO's flagship publication that give detail on the transformation of way work is organized. It is also depicts the experience of worker and business of the online web series and location platform, which regulator has been proposed to introduce a concept called accredited investors SEBI, which organization had released the report of currency and financial RBI. B1525 is a new highly contagious COVID-19 mutate variant, first in recorded in which country? USA. B1.526, a new highly contagious COVID-19 mutate, is first spreading in New York for the United States of America. As per study by research of Columbia University, this new variant carry a highly dangerous mutation that can weaken vaccine efficiency, which organization is set to launch a COVID-19 oxygen emergency task force WHO. Michael Somera, who is making a news grand called as a Grand Chief and Father of the Nation, which country? Papua New Guinea. Which state approved law of given life imprisonment of food adulterer? Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian state celebrate the Veer Bilarai Divas every year? Assam. Which ministry has furnished the list of product of one distinct one focus product? Ministry of Agriculture. Which country president over the virtual meet of G20 finance minister and central bank government? Italy. Amazonia first satellite which make news recently belong to which country? Brazil. ISFE World Cup scheduled to the held in Chandwang city located in which country? South Korea. Which word has been supported in Indonesia after 170 years? Black Broad Bobble. National Science Day is being observed in India to commemorate the discovery of which scientist? C.V. Raman. The Indian Air Force aerobatic display teams are to participate in which country? Commemorative Air Show, Sri Lanka. Which movie won the Best Picture Drama Award in 17th Gold Globus Award? Normandy. Which Indian star wrestler won the gold medal at the Ukrainian Wrestler and Coaches Memorial Tournament? Vanish Fogart. Sugamya Bharat app is being launched as a part of which ministry? The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Which ministry has launched the field assessment of 6 Swachh Sarveksham? The Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The Government of India has proposed to partner with which institute for creating a Center of Excellence Gaming? IIT Bombay. Which state set up the host Indian legalization? Odisha. Full army worm infestation on crop has been reported recently which place? Wayakad, Kerala. R. Vinay Kumar has announced his retirement from which sport? Cricket. Which organization released the NDC synthesized report? UNFCCC, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. The Land Port Authority of India work under which ministry? Ministry of Home Affairs. NASACOM has been partnered with which technology company to launch AI game changer program? Microsoft. Armax 21, a major skilling expedition launching by the Indian Army cover which two regional? तो Armax 21 तो Ladakh and Uttarakhand. The third Jan Ayushidi Divas started on which day? 1 March 2021. When is the Zero Discrimination Day observed? Where is a Zero Discrimination 1 March? Which Union Ministry launched the real-time monitoring system of toll plaza national highway across the India? Ministry of Road Transport Highway. What is the theme of World Hearing Day? Hearing care for all. The International Waste Picker Day is observed in 1 March. Nag river is a 70 kilometer long river flowing through which city in the Maharashtra? Nagpur.